Deepika Khemnani. I am back again with the next video, grade 5 subject EVS. In the last video we have started with new chapter unit 6, water is life. Today we are going to continue with the new topic. First of all, let's take a short backup of the last lecture. In that we have learned about the King Gharsi of Jaisalmer, who has made 9 lakes nearby that area, and yes, he has arranged so many ghats all around that area. So the rain water gets collected easily. उसने 9 lakes इसलिए बनाए थे जैसे कि वो रेन वाटर को easily collect कर सके. And yes, we have learned about traveler Al Biruni. Yes, he was the traveler coming from Uzbekistan to India to observe so many new things of Indian country, and then he was noting down all the things in his diary and book. Okay, so today we are going to start with a new topic, that is drop by drop. Let me clear for the topic. This topic will teach you the proper importance of rainwater and the proper importance of water. आपको कैसे water को save करना चाहिए. You are also the responsible person. This is your duty also to save the water, right? So here drop by drop we will learn about Rajasthan and Gujarat get very little rainfall. Rajasthan and Gujarat, these are the two states of India who are getting very less rainfall. मतलब अगर हम लोग इन दोनों की कंपैरिजन करें तो राजस्थान इज ऑल्सो एट द लोअर लेवल, यानी राजस्थान में बहुत ही कम बारिश पड़ती है बिकॉज दैट एरिया इज वेरी ड्राई. मोस्ट ऑफ द विलेजेस इन दीज एरियाज डू नॉट हैव शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर. फिर भी देखो राजस्थान और गुजरात में बारिश नहीं पड़ती है, फिर भी उनको शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर नहीं होता है. डू नॉट हैव शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर. व्हाई? बिकॉज एवरी ड्रॉप इज प्रीशियस. दे नोज द प्रॉपर मीनिंग ऑफ द प्रॉपर इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ water. So village persons what they are doing, they are trying to collect the rain water. वो अपने areas में rain water को collect करने का try करते हैं, then they are storing it. वो अपने उस rain water को collect करके संभाल कर रखते हैं, and then for whole of the year they were using that water. So that's why they know the every drop of water is precious. उनको पता है precious it means बहुत ही ज़्यादा कीमती है every drop of water. The water from the lakes soaked into the ground and reached the wells and step wells. System to collect the rain water at home also. कैसे? अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ विलेजेस में क्यों शॉर्टेज नहीं होती है. बिकॉज दे हैव टू ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट इज टू कलेक्ट द रेन वाटर इन लेक्स. यस, वो लेक्स में रेन वाटर को कलेक्ट करते हैं. देन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, द रेन वाटर इज गेटिंग सोक्ड. वो सोक हो जाता है. इट मींस द ग्राउंड इज एब्जॉर्बिंग दैट, and then the water is going to the wells and step wells. Let me show you the photograph of wells and step wells. Just see, this is a photo of well. In this also, whichever water has ground has soaked, जो भी water ground ने soak कर लिया है, that water directly comes to the wells. And then one photograph of step well. Yes, what is the meaning of step well? Are you able to see? नीचे पूरा well के जैसा ही बना हुआ है, एक कुआं ही है, एक लेक जैसा है, but to go there are so many stairs to go down, to go up. That is called as the step well. उसको बोला जाता है step well when personally you have to go down and to collect the water. Normally wells, how we are collecting the water? Just see the photo of well. इस well में से हम पानी कैसे निकालते हैं? By throwing the bucket inside, then we are pulling up the water in the bucket. But in the step well the process is different. Personally we have to go down with the bucket nearby the lake, nearby the well, and then we can collect the water. That is the main process of step well. Step well में भी पानी कहाँ से आता है? By the soaking of the ground. Ground में जो पानी soak हो चुका है, that ground water will go directly to the wells and step wells. Clear about it? Now the next system in villages to collect the water. क्यों इन villages को कभी भी problem नहीं होती है पानी की? Why? Because they have the system to collect water, rain water at home also. वो अपने घर पर भी ये rain water collect करते हैं. Just see the photograph. In this photograph the topic will be clear properly. क्या दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे? The top roof of the house, जो roof है वहाँ पर rain water collect होता है. Then there is a one pipe which is transferring that whole rain water to the pipe, and then pipe is connected directly to the well. वो जा रहा है पाइप उनके घर के well में, यानी उनके घर के बाहर जो कुआं है वहाँ पर वो पानी स्टोर हो जाता है. How it is getting stored? The rain water getting collected on the roof of the house. उनके घर के ऊपर वो ऐसा रूफ बना देते हैं which is connected to the pipe. एक पाइप से कनेक्टेड होता है, and then the roof water, जो भी उस रूफ पे रेन वाटर कलेक्ट किया हुआ है, that goes to the pipe and that pipe is directly connected to the well of their home. उनके घर के बाहर जो well बना हुआ है, जो कुआं बना हुआ है, डायरेक्टली वो पानी वहां पर जाकर स्टोर हो जाता है. That they are doing with that rain water to collect it. So this is the process of villagers to collect the rain water in the wells, step wells and at their home also. Okay. So now the new topic, that is customs related to the water. What is the meaning of customs? Here we can say as customs, it means worship of the god, to celebrate the festivals nearby the water, nearby the lakes. As I told you, the lakes is having the ghats around it. जैसे मैंने आपको घाटसी लेक के बारे में बताया था, उनके आसपास भी घाट्स बने हुए हैं. That ghats are also used for worshipping the god. Yes, there in India so many persons are there who are treating water as a god. वो water को god समझकर मानते हैं and they are worshipping them for in the different festivals, right? So here we will learn about the different festivals, how they are celebrating with the help of water and with nearby the lakes or rivers. Okay. So whenever lakes get filled up with rain water, see they need the celebration topic. उनको है ना celebration के लिए एक topic चाहिए होता है. तो what the villager persons are doing, how they are celebrating near the water, whenever lakes get filled up with rain water. जब भी उनको ऐसा लगता है ना कि उनके गांव का जो भी lake है that is filled with water, जैसे ही उन villagers को पता चलता है that the lake is filled with rain water, अब उनके पास अच्छा सा rain water collect हो चुका है, so they are celebrating that as a festival. When the water from the first monsoon showers into river and lake. और कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? When the water from the first monsoon, जब first monsoon होता है, it means when the first rain comes to their village and that rain water showers into the river and lake. जब वो पानी उनकी river और lake में जाता है, that is also they are celebrating as a festival. तो उसको भी as a festival celebrate करते हैं. The new bride worships the water tap in her home. ये तो आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा कई बार. Maybe you have attended any marriage functions. Whenever the new bride is coming to the home, the persons are having the worshipping of the tap. उनका एक रिवाज होता है, उनका एक कस्टम होता है. They are worshipping the pot and worshipping the tap of the water. जहाँ से पानी आता है उस पानी के टैप को वो लोग वर्शिप करते हैं. इट मीन्स पूजा करते हैं. So that is also the good festival for them. Especially in the city areas also they are following. People celebrate when the lake is overflowed with water. वहाँ के लोग ये भी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं जब उनका लेक ओवरफ्लो होने लगता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको अब ज़्यादा पानी मिलेगा अपने विलेज के लिए. सी एज यू ऑल नो, विलेज एंड सिटी की कंडीशन अगर हम लोग कंपेयर करें, देयर इज अ वास्ट डिफरेंस. सिटी पर्सन्स आर गेटिंग द वाटर डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द एक्वागार्ड और फ्रॉम so many other reasons. But here the sources of water for the village, that is the only lake and river. वो lake और river में से, wells में से, step well में से वो लोग पानी collect करते हैं. So here when the lake get overflowed, जब उनका lake overflowed हो जाता है water से, so they are getting happy and they are celebrating. And yes, some villages are keeping holiday on that day. वो पता है क्या करते हैं? जिस दिन उनको लगता है कि now lake is overflowed, now we are happy, so in that happiness they are keeping the holidays in the village. फिर वो कोई काम नहीं करते, they are keeping the holidays. Yes, maybe you have somewhere heard about the special pots for water, जिसमें पानी रखा जाता है. Not in the city areas, but normally in the village areas or which is very downward area. So they have the special kind of pots for water, that is beautiful copper pot, and second is shining yellow pot of brass. देखो, copper pot and brass pot, both I will show you here. The pot of copper and the pot of brass. These are specially used in the village areas, not in the city areas. The city areas persons are giving more importance to the stone pot, जो मिट्टी का बना हुआ होता है या पत्थरों का बना हुआ होता है. Normally you have seen the red color pot, small or big. red color का pot देखते हो, on that designs are there. That also photo I will show you. The first is copper pot. जो पहला photo है that is of copper pot, and the second is brass pot. That is used especially in the village areas to collect the rain water from the open buildings. अब open building क्या होता है? यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक फोटो दिखा रही हूँ. In this photo you are able to see एक छोटा सा माउथ कोई डिजाइन बना हुआ है, and from that mouth water is coming out, and that water is getting collected in that copper pot or brass pot. Are you able to see? So this is the picture which is especially this situation you will be able to see in villages. And earlier age, not right now, earlier age में ये सारी situations होती थी कि buildings में से एक छोटा सा ऐसा circle shape होता था, and the water was coming out from there for the special villagers only. Villagers को पानी provide करने के लिए ये इस type के water cottage बनाए गए थे, and the water was directly coming to the copper pot and brass pot because in villages they are using it, right? So here I have talked about copper pot and brass pot. Now let's talk about the pots which normally we are using at home. See the picture of normal pots which we are using. क्या है, मिट्टी का बना हुआ होता है, रेड और क्रीम कलर लाइक, एंड द डिजाइन इज ऑल्सो मेड. इसमें हम लोग पानी स्टोर करके रखते हैं फॉर होल ऑफ द डे एंड वी आर ड्रिंकिंग इट, एंड दिस सॉइल विल बी लाइक, वो हमारे पानी को ठंडा करने में भी हमें हेल्प करती है. दिस इज लाइक दैट. ओके, now here as I told you there are wells and step wells also. In the earlier part I told you there are step wells. Step wells का क्या use होता है, especially the travelers who are taking their goods to purchase and sale from one state to another, one village to another. तो वो traveling करते जब थक जाते हैं, and they have their animals also with them. तो जब उनके साथ उनके एनिमल्स भी हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी टायर्ड. सो आफ्टर गेटिंग टायर्ड दे आर गेटिंग थर्स्टी. उनको प्यास भी लगती है. थर्स्टी इट मीन्स प्यास लगना. सो दे आर गोइंग टू द नियर बाय स्टेप वेल एंड दे आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम देयर. वाई? बिकॉज दैट वाटर इज सेफ. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज डायरेक्टली कमिंग फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. तो स्टेप वेल का ये भी बहुत अच्छा यूज है, एंड गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड सो मेनी स्टेप वेल्स एट द अर्लियर टाइम फॉर गिविंग मोर रेस्ट टू travelers and to the animals also. So today in this lecture, in this video, what we have learned about? We have learned about wells and step wells, how to count drop by drop water, it means the precious water. And yes, we have learned about customs related to the water. कौन से festivals villagers celebrate करते हैं with the water. Okay, in the next video we will continue with the next topic. Thank you.